Okay, guys, example number 4. Whew. Here we go. Factor a squared minus b squared plus ac minus bc completely. All right, well, the first thing that I'm going to do, the first question asks me, is there anything that I can take out from all of the terms? And there's not. They don't have anything in common. The first term's positive, okay, so I don't have to worry about taking out a negative. They don't have any numbers other than 1 in common, and none of them have a common variable between all 4 of them. So the second question it says is if there are 2 terms, then look for a difference of 2 squares. Well, we don't have 2 terms. We've got 4 terms. So if there are 3 terms, well, we don't have 3 terms. We have 4 terms. All right, so then the fourth question says if there are 4 terms, look to group them. And I got to be honest, it looks to me like this should be grouped because that immediately looks like a difference of 2 squares, and this should be grouped. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do, once I do that, I'm going to actually separate this into a plus b and a minus b. That's the difference of 2 squares. Plus, and then I'm going to take out a c because these both have a c in it, c times a minus b. Okay? All right, well that looks good because now I've got these 2 terms. I have this term and this term, and they both have an a minus b in them. So I'm going to collect that up at the front. I'm factoring out the a minus b, right? And then I ask myself, okay, a minus b times what gives me this? A minus b times a plus b. And then a minus b times what gives me c times a minus b? Well, plus c. All right? Now, I've got 2 factors. I need to look at them and see if there's anything that I can factor from them. None of them have squares, so I don't think there's any way that I can factor these things. We're done. This is our answer, and that was pretty easy. All right? So good job. Guys, take your time on this homework. Ask yourselves each one of the questions every time, and it's going to lead you through there. Okay? Great job. You're ready for your homework.